Alright, so hello students again. So welcome back to our class. So this is the second session of today's lesson, right? So today we'll have R3 for the second session, right? And then I will introduce you a new shape that you have to know, alright? So here, alright, take out your book. Here, this is the textbook art for K3A, alright? So for today class, alright, I will introduce you a new shape, this, alright? So before I tell you what is this, can I ask you something that we have learned from the previous class? What was the shape that you have already studied, everyone? What's the shape? What was it, everyone? Square? Did anyone say square? Alright, square, right? So square, how does square look like? How does it look like, everyone? Look something like this? Look something like this? How does square look like? Alright. Here, right? So I will draw you a square so that you know how it looks like. Alright, here, right? This is a shape that you already learned, alright? So this we call square, right? So this line, this line, this line, this line are the same, right? Are the same length, right? This one, the same, and the same. And that's one we call square, right? So square I spell S, Q, U, A, R, E. I say square, right? Everyone repeat after the teacher. Square, I spell S, Q, U, A, R, E. I say square, right? So this is the old shape that you already learned, right? So today I will introduce you a new shape. All right, what was it, everyone? What was it? A new shape that you're going to study for today. Alright, so let's turn your book on page 5, alright, and you will see, alright, here on page 5, and this one we called triangle, alright, triangle. So repeat after the teacher, students. Triangle, alright, triangle. Alright, triangle I spell T, R, I, A, N, G, L, E. I say triangle. Again, everyone, repeat after the teacher. Triangle I spell T, R, I, A, N, G, L, E. I say triangle, alright? Here on page 5, alright? So the activity that you have to do for today, first you have to color a triangle, and then you have to trace a triangle, and then you have to draw a triangle, a new one, alright? Like just like over here, alright? So you have to color this, trace this, draw this, and then you make another triangle, alright? So let's color with teacher. I don't have any colors. I have only a marker, so I will color with a marker, alright? So here, I have to color this, alright? I can color something like this, alright? Because I don't have color. Alright, make sure that you color it nicely. Alright, something like this. Alright, so how was it, everyone? Is it good? Does it look good? I think it's nice, alright? So the next activity that I have to do is to trace, all right? Trace the triangle, this one, right? So let's start from the top to the bottom on the left side. All right, and then start the top to the bottom on the another side. All right, and then connect these two lines together on the bottom. All right, here we trace already another triangle. All right, so for the next activity, I have to draw another triangle over here. All right, so again, we have 3 dots. Let's start from the top to the bottom. All right, we have 1 line and 1 more line here, right? So let's connect these 2 dots together on the bottom. All right, here we have another triangle. All right, so let's make it again, everyone. Just make it again. So how was it? How do I make triangle? All right, let's start from the top to the bottom. 1, again, another side, 2, and then 3, right? So this is triangle, all right? So I finished my activities already. Now it's your turn, all right? Turn your book on page 5, and then you will see triangle, all right? So your activity that you have to do next is you have to color this one with the colors that you want to do. You want red, blue, yellow, it's up to you. And then you have to trace this just like I did earlier, all right? And then you have to draw this, connect 3 dots together, and then make another triangle, all right? So it's your turn now, and do it right now. And it's also the end of our class today. So don't forget to do this, all right? And lastly, I would like to say that please stay safe from COVID-19 and be productive, right? So I'll see you next video. Bye. Have a nice day, everyone.